off, the thing is I haven't uploaded in 2 months, and I want to apologize for that. But the thing is, I really don't know what to upload. There's just so many different things, and I have so many ideas. I just don't know if it's gonna work on the channel. So I'm gonna start uploading videos, and then I'll kind of see what works and what doesn't. But if you guys have any issues or you have any ideas for a video, please let me know down in the comments. I'll greatly appreciate that. And if you guys do post in the comments, like, thank you guys so much. But let's get right into the tutorial. So the very first thing I want to go ahead and do to get the chat to go ahead and show on screen with OBS and on Twitch or YouTube, whatever platform you're using, is you want to go to streamlabs.com. I will have the link for that down in the description as well, so you guys don't have to type it in, you just click on it. So you want to go to streamlabs.com. We're going to sign in, and you can pick whatever platform you're on. I'm going to be doing this on Twitch for the tutorial. Next thing you want to go ahead and do is go to the left side. We're going to click on widgets. It's now going to open up a whole bunch of different tabs, but we're going to go to the chat box. Once we have this open right here, it's going to give you guys kind of a little bit of information on what this is all about. So there's a theme. You can pick different themes. It basically just moves the chat in different areas. There's box, which makes it look kind of fancier. There's old school, good. It's going to leave it, have like a BRB screen up and press Control C, or you can just right click on it and press copy. Now we can go ahead and minimize this. We're now going to go ahead and open up OBS, and in your scene, which is the left box, you're now going to go to your right scene, and you want to go ahead and right click and press add, and then browser source. You also can go ahead and click the plus button, so add. We're going to go to browser source and name this chat box. You can go ahead and name it whatever you want. We're just going to name this chat box because that's what it is, the chat box. So go ahead and press OK. Now it's going to go ahead and open up the properties for the chat box, and where it says URL, you want to go ahead and just highlight that and just delete it. Then we're going to press Control V, or you can go ahead and press paste. And I would just leave everything else as the default. The FPS and all this is you can actually go ahead and press add and do a tutorial on that.
Hello everybody, and welcome to G-Rated Family Gaming. Today we are actually going to show you guys a little tutorial here. We'll talk more about how to use OBS and set up things for live streaming, but right now we're just going to cover the very specific part about getting this chat overlay working for your stream. So what you want to do is, in order to create this, you're going to want to create a browser resource. So browser source. Okay, so you create that, and we can call this, we'll do chat demo, because we're just going to create the same chat, and we're just going to create another one, a new one, so you can see. So right now we've got this basic default thing right there, which is for OBS Studio, and you can see up in the corner in the back, that's all you have right there, see? So what you want to do for this is, first you're going to want to go to your YouTube chat interface. In live streaming, go to the stream now, and where you can see the live chat here, what you want to do is click on these three buttons and then go to pop out chat. So that will pop out the chat, and then what you want to do is copy this link right here. So you might have to do this before every stream, because sometimes this link changes and it might get your chat to get stuck if you don't update this before you start streaming every single time. So chat demo right in there, you're going to want to, after you've copied that link, put the pop-out chat URL right there. So after you do that, what you want to do now is, okay, so if you click OK, basically you can see it's got the chat there, but it's not transparent like this one over here. So in order to get this transparency, what you want to do is go to the site, chat v2 style generator. So it's https://chattv2.septipus.com. So here's the link right here if you guys need to figure out how to do that. And basically what you can do here is you can pick the different fonts that you want, and you can pick the different sizes, the different colors, different things for how the outlook is going to be right here. So if we're just basically using the default stuff, all we have to do is copy this and put that in the CSS window in OBS. So what we're going to do is copy this and do a Control C, and then after we've copied that, we want to go into OBS, and then this chat demo link here where it says CSS. We're going to get rid of this stuff in here, so delete that. Oh, here we go. So you want to delete this and then paste that same CSS code that you just pulled out there. You can also make changes to your width and your height depending on how you want it to look. So click OK, and then after you click OK, now you can see that we've got the transparent text right there. So you can change your width and height inside of that link. You can move this around, you can make it bigger, you can make it smaller, just like this, and you can put it wherever you want. So that is how you add the chat here overlay to your live stream in OBS using this link. So make sure you pop out the window before you collect this URL, and also make sure you copy all of this CSS code, because this window is pretty long, okay? So you got to copy the whole thing. So make sure you get all of that copied before you paste it, and if you want to make any customized changes, you can do that here before you copy this code. All right, thanks. I hope that helped you guys. Feel free to like, subscribe, comment below, and check out the other videos. All right, bye.
I'm going to show you how to add chat to OBS, a ticker, and some other stuff that's going to make your streams awesome. And we're starting right now. What is going on? My name is Nick. Welcome to another video. If this is your first time here and you want to learn how to grow your channel and make videos and all types of other YouTube related stuff, make sure to hit the subscribe button and the bell notification icon so you don't miss anything. So I've been doing a lot of live streams lately and people keep asking me, hey Nick, how do you add a ticker? How do you add the live YouTube chat? How do you add graphics and things like that? Well, I'm going to cover all of it for you right now. And real quick, are you currently live streaming or is it something that you're wanting to get into? Let me know down in the comments. All right, we need to be on the computer for this one, so let's go. Okay, so the very first thing that we are going to cover is we are going to add the pop-up, the YouTube chat, to the OBS screen over here on the left. So in order to do that, you want to go into your YouTube account and you want to make sure that you go over into your live streaming option, go into stream now, and then when you scroll down the page, you're going to see the live chat option over here on the side. So what you want to do is you want to click on the three bars at the top. You want to click on pop out chat. Now, when this happens, it's going to give you a URL up here at the top. And you want to click on this, right click, copy, and then you want to go into your OBS Studio. You want to click on the plus icon down here at the bottom under your sources, and you want to add a browser source. When you do that, all you have to do is call it whatever you want to call it yourself. And then you want to add your source to it. So what I'm going to do in this situation, because I know that my frame is 1280 by 720. So I'm going to go ahead and make the height 720. So it covers the whole thing. And let's make it 300 pixels wide. And we're going to keep the frames per second at 30 because that is currently what my webcam is set at. Now, if you have a webcam where you're set at 60 frames per second, then you might want to make this match up so that you don't get anything weird happening. Once that pops up, then you are just going to scale it into place. And once your video goes live, then you will actually see the chat pop up here. And again, if you want to make it any different, all you have to do is you go into the properties. Let's say you want to make it a little bit wider, maybe to cover up a little bit more of the screen. Then you do that.
sure, but my brain tells me I've been here before. Don't wanna draw any attention to all the crazy things that I shouldn't mention. Not really sure, but it feels like my feet are glued to the floor. Don't wanna open up my mouth, 'cause I'm afraid of what's gonna come out. Life is but a dream. This can't be happening. Wake up, scream. I'm in a twisted reality. Twisted. I'm hearing voices, I'm seeing visions. I'm not sure who's the one making the decisions. Wake up, scream. I'm in a twisted reality.
Братан. Привет, братан. Как дела? Вот так надо заходить, блять. Залечи ко мне на чай, братан. Куда ты идешь? Куда? Вот же они все. Как на ладошке. Спокойно, братан, сейчас я их разъебу. Вот один, блять. Бомба, смотри, бомба. Есть лучпи. Бля, Фейс, вот ты флексишь. Калаш, братишка. Релакс. Тащи, братан, давай. Молодец. Слушай, это неплохо. Заебись. Главное пошуметь на этой карте. Все, мы выиграли. Конечно, братишка, а ты? Схуяли. Ты живешь там, что ли? А чё так? А чем тебе Рашка не понравилась? Литва заебатая страна там был. А мы как Россия. Ну знай то, что там как Россия. Ты когда стреляешь, не беги. Но надо взять 3 раунда и все. О, вот это хорошее оружие. Так клипки хорошо знаешь? Ух ты. Давай, это твой раунд. This is your round, man, давай. Ну ладно. Я не умею с этого стрелять.